What's up, gang? This your boy FPV Larry, and I'm back with another banger, man. Yes, you know today I'm still finna pull out the FPV trick book. Today we gonna be doing the split S, refreshing y'all. We already did the juicy flick. We still got the Rubik's cube and the inverted yaw spin and inverted look back to go. But today we're gonna do a split S or two. First, you gotta have a object or so to split S between. So, like if you have two trees like this, a split S is as you go, it's a half of a row. You drop the stick and you come around under the object like that. Once again, you go over the object, a half of a row, you drop the throttle, and you come back under the object full throttle. S. Split S. Let's get into it, man. Fuck it. Let's get into it. I'm glad y'all be rocking with your boy, man. Please like and subscribe my channel, man. I thank you and gratefully appreciate everything y'all be doing, man. For your boy, man. Taking the time out to look at my videos. So now that we got that propped up, let's get situated. Like I say, I'm a one-man crew. Finna put y'all this way, and we finna rock out. Jeez. So, okay. Today, what will we doing? Split S. All right. Got the arm button on. Recording is cording. 1, 2, 3. Let's take off. All right. So do a couple of little things before we get right into it. At first, you got to find your object. You got a lot of trees over here, so we can come through and find a tree or two. I see a tree or two. So there you have it, a split S. Split S is go over the object, half a row, come back under it full throttle. That's me throwing in a trick or two. But yeah, that's your split S. All right, let's try to find something else. We got one right here. Oh, a little prop wash there, but we got it. It was a little too high. Almost. Almost crashed out there. Gotta have good control. You gotta be a good pilot. Alright, it's time to bring him in. But yeah, guys, that's your split S. Half a row under full throttle. Thanks for watching. Peace.